this? So this is what Pops and Phoebe's currently sleeping, just a little donut. Ah! Don't do that.